Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to hide the mouse cursor when you are typing on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer guys. Let's jump straight into it. Go to search menu and type mouse setting. Just want to open it. Scroll down little bit guys. Related setting, additional mouse setting. Click on it. In here you just want to go to pointer option. And in here hide pointer while typing, you just want to enable this option guys. After enabling, check mark over here, click apply and OK. Wait for it, apply and OK. That's it guys, you have to do it. That's it for today's video. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.